Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever wondered how your morning routine affects your entire day? Imagine starting each day with a clear plan and purpose. A morning routine is more than just a list of tasks. It's the foundation of your daily productivity and mental health. Whether it's the sound of an alarm clock or the sunlight streaming through your window, each morning offers a new beginning. First, consider the simple act of making your bed. This small achievement sets a positive tone and gives a sense of order. Next, a refreshing shower can awaken your senses, preparing you for the day ahead. Brushing your teeth not only cares for your dental health, but also signals your brain that it's time to switch from rest to activity mode. Eating a healthy breakfast fuels your body and mind, providing the necessary energy to tackle the day's challenges. Each step, from choosing what to wear to reviewing your daily tasks, builds momentum and clarity. Now follow me on a journey through a typical morning to see how it sets the tone for the whole day. The sound of an alarm marks the start of a new day. Waking up at the same time every day is a key part of a healthy routine. Many people use an alarm to help them wake up early. It's tempting to hit the snooze button, but getting up right away can really make a difference. It helps your body get used to a regular schedule. This can make you feel more awake and ready to start the day. Once you're up, it's time to freshen up. First stop, the bathroom. As the sun begins to brighten the morning sky, the journey to feeling fresh starts here. Every morning, the simple act of brushing teeth not only fights off germs, but also gives a minty start to the day. It's amazing how a burst of freshness can make you feel ready to tackle anything. Next, splashing cool water on the face helps to shake off the last traces of sleep. This isn't just about cleaning, it's a ritual to awaken the senses. And let's not forget the quick shower. The warm water streaming down is not only soothing, but it also helps to relax any overnight stiffness in the muscles. It's like a reset button for the body, prepping it for the day ahead. These acts might seem small, but they play a huge role in kicking off the day with vigor and vitality. They transform morning grogginess into energetic readiness. Feeling awake and clean, it's time to fuel the body. What's for breakfast? Starting the day with a healthy breakfast is crucial. It fuels the body and gets the brain ready for the day ahead. Think of it as setting the foundation for a productive and energetic morning. One simple yet nutritious option is oatmeal. It's easy to make and you can add a variety of toppings. Try sliced bananas, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a handful of berries for extra flavor and nutrients. Oatmeal is rich in fiber, which helps you feel full longer. Fruits are another excellent choice for breakfast. They're packed with vitamins and can be very refreshing. You could have a fruit salad or just a couple of your favorite fruits like apples or oranges. Eggs are also a fantastic choice. They can be cooked in many ways: boiled, scrambled, or fried. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. With a full stomach, let's get dressed. Choosing the day's outfit. Preparing what to wear the night before is a smart move. It saves time and cuts down on morning stress. Imagine opening your closet and finding everything ready to go. It's calming, isn't it? Always consider the day's weather and what you have planned. Sunny days might call for lighter clothes, while chilly mornings need something warmer. Dressing right not only boosts your confidence, but also prepares you for whatever the day holds. Now, you're almost ready to step out. Before we leave, what's on the agenda? As we prepare to step out into the world, taking a moment to plan the day can make all the difference. Let's talk about the importance of reviewing or planning the day's tasks. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply organizing your personal day, knowing what lies ahead helps you manage your time and energy effectively. Many find it helpful to use a planner. This could be a small book where you write down your tasks, appointments, and ideas. It's like having a map for your day. Others prefer digital apps, which are tools on your phone or computer that help you keep track of your responsibilities. These apps often send reminders so you don't forget anything important. Imagine your day as a series of steps. Each task you write down is a step forward. By planning, you ensure that no step is missed and that you're moving in the right direction. With a plan in place, it's time to head out. Grab your keys and let's go. As we get ready to step out, there's a small checklist to run through to ensure we have everything needed for the day. First, we make sure we have our bag. Inside, there are essentials like a wallet, phone, and perhaps a small snack for later. Next, it's important to grab the keys. It's always good to double-check that they are in the bag or pocket, so we're not locked out or running late. Then a quick glance at the weather app tells us if we need an umbrella or sunglasses. Being prepared for the weather is key to starting the day smoothly. Before we leave, we check the latest traffic updates to plan the best route. Knowing what to expect can save a lot of time and stress. Lastly, make sure the lights are off and the door is locked. Stepping out the door, you're ready to take on the day. Reflecting on our morning, we've walked through a typical morning routine, from the first moments of waking up to stepping out the door. Let's take a moment to think about what we've learned. A structured morning helps us start the day with energy and a clear mind. It sets the pace and tone for what's ahead. We saw how waking up at a regular time, freshening up, and eating a healthy breakfast can really make a difference. Getting dressed and planning the day are also key steps that prepare us for success. All these activities are not just tasks, they are stepping stones to a productive and fulfilling day. Now, think about your own morning. What do you do well? What could be better? Maybe waking up earlier could help, or perhaps preparing things the night before. Small changes can have a big impact. Optimize your morning to transform your day. Thanks for joining me on this morning journey.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level A2. Wake up. Wake up to stop sleeping and start your day. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day to have enough time for my morning routine. Stretch. Stretch to extend your arms, legs, or body to relieve stiffness and increase flexibility. Example, after I wake up, I do some stretches to help my body feel more energized. Breakfast. Breakfast, the first meal of the day, usually eaten in the morning. Example, I always make sure to have a healthy breakfast to give me energy for the day. Plan. Plan to decide and arrange in advance what you are going to do. Example, I plan my day every morning by making a to-do list of all my tasks. Exercise. Exercise, physical activity that is done to make your body strong and healthy. Example, I go for a jog every morning as part of my exercise routine. Meditate. Meditate to spend time in quiet thought for relaxation or religious purposes. Example, I meditate for 10 minutes every morning to clear my mind and reduce stress. Review. Review to look over or examine again. Example, before I start work, I review my schedule to make sure I know all my meetings and deadlines for the day.